Welcome back to Limoneira and happy November. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make this really delicious and festive Thanksgiving charcuterie board. And this is a great snack board to put out on Thanksgiving Day while everyone's waiting for the big Thanksgiving meal or to have during a holiday party. Today we're making a holiday-themed charcuterie board. This is the perfect snack board to set out for guests or your family during the holiday season. And here's how you make it. To create a charcuterie board that has a good balance of texture and flavors, include the following. First, add something sweet, such as fruit. We're using figs, blackberries, strawberries, Limoneira mandarin oranges, and grapes. Then add something salty and savory, such as cheese. I'm adding 2 types of vegan cheese, olives, crackers, and rosemary for its savory aroma and visual beauty. Then add some crunch. I've added some pumpkin seeds and almonds, which add protein, fiber, and great crunchy texture. Don't forget to add a treat. Dark chocolate-covered oranges are a delicious, easy, and healthy treat. First, let's make our dark chocolate mandarin oranges. You will need 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chips and 2 mandarin oranges. Add the chocolate chips to a small double boiler. This is a small pan over another small pan with simmering water. This technique allows you to fully melt the chocolate without burning it. While the chocolate melts, peel your oranges. Try to remove as much of the white pith as possible. Lay out the orange segments on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and drizzle the melted chocolate over each orange. You can use as much or as little chocolate as you like. Then place the cookie sheet in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes for the chocolate to set. Then it's time to build your board. This is the fun part. You can get creative and make a beautiful display of healthy and delicious holiday foods. Well, that's it for today's video. All month long, we'll be sharing more great recipes for the holiday time and for Thanksgiving, so make sure you're subscribed to the Limoneira YouTube channel. And you can also stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Wishing you and your family a healthy and happy holiday season, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!